Hey everybody, let's go ahead and do our letter sound focus. So this is T, top, T, N, nut, N, U, up, A, apple, A, S, snake, S, B, bat, B, M, man, M, C, cat, K, G, game, G, F, fun, F, I, itch, I, O, octopus, A, D, dog, D. We're gonna have a vowel focus real quick. This is E, ed. Our letter focus today is R. So R, rat, So we're going to practice handwriting both the R and the E today. First, we're going to practice skywriting E. So you have your point right here where you start. Okay. Okay. Try to form that. And then try to form that with this letter E. Good job. Now we're going to practice skywriting letter R. So you'd start at the top where the R would normally be on the top. Back up, over. Down, up, over. Good job. Now we're moving on to our handwriting practice with our markers, our pens, our pencils, whatever we have. Remember, this is the worm line. This is on the bottom. This is our grass line, which is another part of on the bottom. This is our plain line, which is usually in the middle. And then we have our sky line. So right now, remember, our focus is E and R. Both the E and the R are plain line letters. So here's our plain, and let me show you what that's going to look like. So while E is a plain line letter, it does have a special spot, and it's between the plain line and the grass line. So I'm going to put a dot where the E would start. As you can see, it's directly between the plain line and the grass line. After this, we're going to fly under our plain line just a little bit, just like that. We're going to go up to the plain line and then around to the grass line. Okay, we're gonna try that again. So we're starting between the plain line and the grass line. We're flying under the plain line. Then we're going to the plain line. Then back around to the grass line. Okay? So your turn to try. I want you to try that. So try it with me or do it on your own. Between the plain line and the grass line. Over, up to the plain line, and around to the grass line. One more time. Between the plain line and the grass line. Over, up to the plain line, and around to the grass line. Now our handwriting focus is on letter R, and R is a plain line letter. It starts on the plain line. So here's our airplane, and it would start on the plain line right there, okay? So we go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and make a little bitty curve. Okay, now let's try that with writing. We start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and then a little curve. Let's try that again. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and a curve. All right, now your turn to try. You can do it with me or you can do it by yourself. Start at the plain line, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, curve. One more time. Start at the plane line, down to the grass line, up to the plane line, curve. Good job on our handwriting skills today. So let's go over our worksheet activities. This is called beginning to end. Now this is from yesterday. It has week 3, day 2. I just wanted to go over it because I know I did not address it yesterday. So directions say the name for each picture, unscramble the letters to the word shown in each picture. So I'm going to do number 1 and 2 with you. So number 1, we have the letters T, P, and O. And right here, this matches with our letter sounds in foundations. So this is a top, top. What does top start with? It starts with the T. And then O, A, P. And if you notice, it's even got a little worm line down here for you. So this would be the worm line, grass line, plane line, sky line. Pretty cool, huh? And this is a pot. So that's P-O-T. So you'd put P-O-T. Kind of have to imagine the worm line on this one. Let's do number 2. So this is a piece of gum. You've got G, M, and U. You spell gum G, U, M. Okay. And then this is a mug. M, U, G. There you go, and that is how you do our activity for day 2. So this was actually due for yesterday. So if you didn't get to it, that's okay. Just make sure you get to it today. This one is today's assignment. This is called Delete a Letter. It says week 3, day 3 at the top, reading in ELA. Directions say the name for each picture, delete the beginning sound in each word, write the new word. So right here, what do we have a picture of? This is a boat, boat. So if we take away, remember the key is to delete a letter, we're taking away the beginning sound. So you're kind of isolating that beginning sound. What's the beginning sound in boat? B, b. So we're taking that out. I'm gonna go ahead and mark through. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, and the word becomes oat. And that is how you complete this activity. Thank you so much. Y'all did awesome. Don't forget to write to Pete the Cat. It's due tomorrow if you would like to send a letter to Pete the Cat. Good job, guys.